Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will discuss about the properties of fluid. The first property of fluid is density or mass density. So the density of any fluid is defined as the ratio of the mass of the fluid to its volume. So we will take mass of any particular fluid and we will divide it by volume of the fluid to get its density. So generally the unit of mass is taken as kg per meter cube. So formula of mass density will be written as mass of the fluid divided by volume of the fluid. Generally the density of water is taken as 1000 kg per meter cube. Next definition is of specific weight or weight density. So weight density is the weight of the fluid divided by volume of the fluid. Suppose we want to convert mass into weight. So we will multiply mass by acceleration due to gravity. And it will be divided by volume of the fluid to get the specific weight or weight density. So generally W is equal to rho multiplied by G. Third one is the specific volume. Specific volume of the fluid is defined as the volume of the fluid occupied by unit mass. So to determine the specific volume, we will divide mass of fluid by volume of the fluid. It is also reciprocal of mass density. So the unit of specific volume will be meter cube per kg. Fourth definition is of specific gravity. So specific gravity is defined as the ratio of weight density to weight density of any fluid to weight density of the standard fluid. Okay. So standard fluid is generally taken as water. So here S is equal to weight density of a liquid divided by weight density of water. Now we want to solve this question based on the different properties of fluid. So in this problem, calculate the density, specific weight and weight of 1 liter of petrol of specific gravity 0.7. So what data is given? First data is volume is given as 1 liter. So here we want to convert this 1 liter into meter cube. So we will divide it by, first of all we will convert it into centimeter cube and then divide by 10 to the power 6 to get the volume in meter cube. So it will be equal to 0.001 meter cube. Specific gravity is equal to 0.7, it is given. Now we want to determine the density. So density will be determined by multiplying specific gravity by the density of water. So it will be 0.7 multiplied by 1000. So it is coming out to be 700 kg per meter cube. Second, we want to determine the specific weight. So it will be determined by multiplying the density by acceleration due to gravity. So it will be 6867 Newton per meter cube. And third one, we want to determine the weight. So here the specific weight is given as 6867. We will keep 6867 in the place of specific weight and in this formula, and we will determine the weight. So weight will be coming out to be 6.867 Newton. So like this we can solve the problems based on these properties of the fluid. Thank you.